everybody, how you doing? It is time to put the Roborock S5 through the gauntlet. You know this is one of my favorite robot vacuums. The one thing I've never really tested with this is what'll mess it up, like I did with the Roomba 981. So it's going to be the same exact debris that's down, same exact things that can air it out. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down in the description. There's 3 items that aired out the Roomba. Let's see if this guy can beat it and what will mess it up. Let me know in the comments real quick. I've always wondered how long of videos you guys want to see. Most of my videos are around, I'd say 12 to 15 minutes. Is that a good time? Do you want me to get them like under 8 minutes? Do you like them longer? Let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see. Alright, let me show you everything that's on the ground and that could possibly air it out. This is all stuff you'd find around the household. Once again, like I said in that other video, this isn't a pickup test. This is more of a test to see what can mess up your vacuum if you happen to leave something out, or you have kids and they left an item out. Even if it, say, goes under the couch and you don't see it and the robot vacuum runs it over, this is a test to see what will mess it up and what will not. So let's get started. We have a good old big pile of poop. There's a nickel, a shoe with the laces out, an Oreo cookie, got a penny, a quarter, there's a dime there, a kitchen towel, another piece of poop, an earbud that's possibly someone can drop and lose, a fork, small Lego pieces, a minifigure, a beer cap, a charging cable, a Roblox bigger minifigure. Then we have a normal water cap, a big Lego piece, and a piece of candy, as well as the tassels from this rug. And that's pretty much it. A lot of stuff that can mess up a robot vacuum. In this test, we'll see exactly what will do it. If any of them can get past all this without airing out. Like I said, the Roomba 981 aired out 3 separate times. Let me know in the comments what you guess it aired out on if you haven't seen that video, and what you think this will air out on anything. So let's go ahead and start this test. I'm going to put it on its maximum suction because why not? These Roborock batteries last forever. And yeah, we're going to have to go clean. Thank you. What do you guys think? What do you think will air it out? I think probably the toughest item for this entire test and all these robots is probably going to be the fork. It really depends on how it runs it over and if it gets stuck in the extractor bars. Another idea some of my subscribers have said, one of them being, and I think it's actually a pretty good idea, instead of having these thresholds, I can get like a 2x8 board that's about 8 inches high and basically make a wall at every single room area and have just a little area for the robot to fit through, and then it'll stay in that one area and clean that one area at a time. And then it'll also kind of create a map as it goes, instead of just having this wide open spot. And these thresholds, let's be honest, they kind of mess up the test a little bit. So I was thinking that would be one solution. Or rip out these thresholds since they're hard and they're kind of not even, and buy some like 4-inch thick duct tape and just put a nice good thick piece of duct tape along all these edges. That way it'll be smooth and much more flatter. I thought that idea could work as well. I do like the idea of adding walls. Let me know in the comments what you think. Or do you just like it just the way it is? Also, let me know any other thing you want to see, the style of recording I do. If you want me to zoom in on stuff, or if you just like it the way it is. Alright guys, it's done. However, it's having trouble getting on its dock because there's a big pile of poop blocking it. So let me get that out of the way for you there. And we'll see how. It did. Actually, I'll just go ahead and tell you, you probably saw it on video. Surprisingly, not a single error at all. So let's see how well it did as far as if it picked up anything. And yeah, that was a very good test for this guy. Once again, one of my favorite robots I've ever owned. And Roborock just amazes me every time I turn this thing on. I'm actually bringing this guy to my office tomorrow where we have a really big storefront. And I'm going to use this guy in there to clean the store every other day. Right now I have the Roomba i7 Plus in there. And it's being a pain in the ass. Like, real pain. So I'm replacing that with this guy, and it's probably going to do 10 times better than the i7. But anyways, the shoe did not air it out, which is fantastic. The Roomba 981, the shoe did air it out. The cookie just ran it over, no big deal. The poop, it just kind of pushed it around. The cable did not air it out. It did not air out the Roomba either. However, the fork aired out the Roomba. So it did not pick up the quarter. Other piece of poop is still fine there. The towel did not air it out. The Roomba did air out with the towel. Candy was not picked up. The dime was not picked up. The earbud was not picked up. Once again, that was picked up by the Roomba, and it got stuck in the extractor bar, and it was not letting the rollers turn anymore, therefore making it almost do nothing. Minifigure, I mean the Roblox one, too big to suck up obviously, so pushing around the cap, no problem. The Lego minifigure, push that around so that did not get eaten up yet. And yeah, I'm actually quite impressed. Once again, awesome job. I will note, I did forget to throw down a tissue, but that did not air out the Roomba either, so I'm sure this guy would have been fine too. Let's go ahead and check the dirt bin really quick.
Dust bin removed.
It is, thank you. Let's see exactly what it picked up. This thing was emptied before I did these tests. And look at that. Still got quite a bit of dust. Look at all that. That was clean before we started this. So I did get the bottle cap. So the Bud Light cap, it did pick up. The Roomba did as well. I thought this was going to be an issue for some of the robots, but not yet so far. Lego piece got picked up. Another Lego piece got picked up. And then a bunch of debris that was just spread out everywhere. So I must say, Roborock, excellent job again. There's the nickel. Alright guys, so what did you think? I mean, obviously, an excellent job. Destroyed the 981. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same test again with the Roomba S9 Plus. We'll see how that guy does. And then, obviously, all the other robot vacuums I have. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please smash that like button and subscribe. Leave a comment. And have an awesome day. I'll see you guys in the next one.